Okay, so in this section, we're going to talk about creating something called a match on action or a match edit. And what that is it's basically a way of smoothing the transition from one shot to another. Even though we've grown up our entire lives used to a whole bunch of edits, it still takes the brain just a split second to kind of readjust when we switch to a different angle or shot. So there's a way that you can kind of bridge that gap and make the transition a little smoother, and that's by creating a match cut. So what we're going to do is if we look here at this video, I'm going to go over to the point where the spoon comes, and right about there maybe is where I'm going to then cut to another shot that I have right here of the spoon coming out so that we'll have kind of a similar match. So over here under the timeline, let me get that set again, right about there. I'm just making sure that both of these, the spoon looks like it's about in the right place. Down here, I'm going to hit I for in. This is just telling the timeline that this is where I want that clip to start. And then over here, same thing. This is the first frame of my match cut. And then we'll just bring it in here and then wait until maybe the spoon's right there. We'll do out there. And so this is going to be an overwrite edit, not an insert. So we're just going to write over what's currently there. We can do that by either clicking here or pressing the period button. And now if we go back and look, we've got at the very front here a nice transition where that motion carries over into the edit. Now on the back end, we can see that this is more of a jump cut here. The spoon is much further in on this part than it is here. And we'll talk in the next section about how using some of the tools over here can help us fix that aspect.